Hello friends, welcome back to Iconic English. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe our channel to motivate us to make more such videos. This is our fourth video in the spoken English series. Please support guys. So coming to the topic, how many of you are there who want to speak to strangers or a person whom you meet after a long time, but you don't know how to start a conversation with them? Suppose you met someone on a railway station, a bus stand, or a public place, but how to talk to them? How to make them interested in you? First of all, we need to know whom we want to converse. If a colleague or a stranger or someone you met after long. Now, how to start a conversation? So, if it is a stranger, you need to find out something that is common in both of you. Suppose he is reading a novel or a newspaper article of which you are already familiar with. You can share your views and ask about theirs on the same topic. You can ask, hey, what do you feel on this topic? This is so interesting. Or you can say, what are the events of this novel? It seems interesting. I have heard about it a lot. It definitely initiates a conversation, and you can go on with the likes and dislikes of the each other. If you're meeting someone after a long time, you can say, hey, how are you? Where have you been these days? It's been so long since we saw each other. After that, the person will tell about him and will ask about you as well. So, guys, this is how you can interact with someone or start a conversation. One thing you need to keep in mind is a smile and confidence on your face. These are the things that always attracts each and everyone. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, hit the like button and keep supporting guys. We will definitely be sharing more such videos in this series and in this segment.